In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to transfer Gmail contacts to iPhone. This allows you to access your complete contact list without manually entering each one, saving time and reducing the risk of errors or omissions. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You want to navigate to the option of apps. You will then search for the Contacts app in the search bar. Here, head to Contacts Accounts. Whether you have your Gmail signed into your phone or not, I highly recommend you to tap on Add Account. Tap on Google and sign into your Google account once again. If it's your first time to sign in, it's still okay. Now, once done, the reason I'm telling you to sign once again into your Google account is that on Gmail 1 it was already signed in, but contacts failed to show up. But when I signed in the second time, creating Gmail 2, all my contacts showed up. To prove you in my contacts, Gmail 2 has over 400 plus contacts on them. Disclaimer: if you have never linked your Gmail to your iPhone, don't do any of that, just sign in and wait for the next step. Now, once everything is set, simply head to the signed-in Gmail and make sure to enable this option of contacts. All your contacts on your Gmail account will eventually show up. Well, that's how easy it is to move contacts from your Gmail account to your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.